$420 in just 5 minutes. Earn real cash, not gift cards. Get paid quickly and do it as often as you want. Keep watching to find out more. This is a brand new way to make money online that we have never talked about on this channel and that you have probably never seen on YouTube. It works everywhere, and you can do it as long as you have a computer, laptop, or smartphone. And if you watch the whole video, I'll give you some extra tips that will help you make twice or 3 times as much money as other people. So the first step is to go to this website. I'll tell you the name of this website in a minute, but this is the main platform we'll use and the one that will pay us over $420 every time we use it. Now let's talk about what this platform is. So this is the program that will handle social media management for you, for your various accounts on all of those various social media platforms. It makes it really easy for you to manage all of your social media accounts. But don't worry, you don't need a social media account for this. You don't need to have a lot of followers since you won't be building your social media pages and all. This is a brand new way to make money online, so stay tuned. Now, this site is called crowdfireapp.com, and it helps you find relevant content, publish your own content, pre-schedule all your content, and do a lot more. This lets you manage all of your social media accounts from one place. If you want to, you can even try it out for free. It's absolutely free to sign up for, and there are different free features that you can try out for a limited time. You don't have to use it though. You don't have to pay for it because we're not interested in that. You can just go to crowdfireapp.com. I want you to learn more about this site because it will help you make more money. Step 2 is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and click on this where it says affiliates/referral. When you click on it, you'll discover that they have a highly interesting affiliate program that allows you to refer others and earn up to $420 for each new customer you refer to this platform. And in a moment, I'll show you a very unusual traffic source that will allow you to do it in under 5 minutes. And it is unrelated to Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You are not required to post anything on social media. You don't need any people to follow you on social media for this. It's a very unique traffic source. As you can see, this site has a lot of ways to make money and is easy to keep track of and make reports on. How does it work? Sign up for your referral account, get your referral link, share it using the methods shown in this video, and then just collect your earnings. It's as simple as that. You actually make $35 every month for the first year. And if someone keeps using crowdfire.com, you can make up to $420 from just one customer. And I'll show you a unique source of traffic where you can find tens of thousands of people who will buy this tool. So the third step is to click Join Now. This will take you to the next page where you can sign up for the referral program by connecting it to your Google account or just entering your email address. Then you will need to fill out some simple information about yourself and click Continue. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find your affiliate link, which you can get by clicking the copy button right here. So the next step is to go to our traffic source once you have your affiliate link. But first, if you like this video, give it a like or a thumbs up. This lets me know that you want more videos like this. Leave a comment below if you want me to talk about a certain way to make money online on this channel. Okay, so step 4 is to go to Fiverr.com. So we're already at Fiverr.com. But don't worry, you won't have to sell anything on Fiverr and you won't have to post your gigs there. If you go to the search box and search for social media management, you'll see that there are currently over 100,000 services available at the moment. All of these people are making a lot of money by managing other people's social media accounts. The thing is that they probably do this by themselves, which takes them a lot of time and work. Every day they have to keep track of all those accounts. They need to schedule those posts, make new posts every day, and increase followers organically. They need to do all that by themselves manually, which takes a lot of time and effort. They can only take care of a few of them, which limits how much money they can make. But if they had a tool that did all of this for them, they could do anything they wanted. They can make a lot more money with a lot less effort. So they can gain quite a bit from this. As you can see, these guys are making a lot of money from this. For instance, this person charges $225 to take care of social media accounts. If I open up their gig, you'll see that they have over 800 feedbacks, which suggests they sold a lot more than 800 because not everyone who buys a service leaves feedback. So let's say she only got 1,000 orders and sold them all the basic plan at $225. Still, just by selling the social media management services, she has made more than $200,000. And if you go to their premium plan, you will be able to see 3 social media accounts management. They charge $465 for 21 days. But if you go back to Crowdfire subscriptions, you can see the same thing for just $37 a month. Up to 10 social social media accounts can be linked, so this tool does everything for you. And you can connect up to 10 accounts and schedule your posts. As you can see, this person is charging $465 using 3 different accounts, so she can generate a lot more money by using just one Crowdfire plan for $37 and paying $37 per month. This tool will do everything for her, making her life much easier. She'll benefit greatly from this, and she'll be able to join up to 10 social media accounts and triple her monthly revenue. So they will make a lot of money from this, and they won't have to do the work themselves every day. They will spend much less time but make much more money. It will help them a lot, and don't worry, you won't have to sell this service on Fiverr or something. But what you'll actually do is help these people who are selling this social media management service on this site. You'll help them by giving them the Crowdfire app tool, which will allow them to make a lot more money with a lot less work. At the same time, Crowdfire will pay you a referral commission for sending them there. But be careful, because Fiverr will delete your account if you just start spamming your affiliate link here. If you just contact the seller and try to sell them this tool or use the same script over and over, you will be banned. If Fiverr finds out that you are spamming, you will be banned from the site for good. Don't do that then. You can also give them your affiliate link in another way so they can buy it. So if I want to tell this seller about Crowdfire, I would go to their contact information. Here is where it will be. You click on Contact Seller right here, and then you can send them a message. You can say something like, "Hey, I'm really interested in your services. I saw that you were doing social media management. I really love what you do, and right before I place my order, can you give me some of your social media accounts so I can see how it works and how your social media accounts are performing?" That makes a lot of sense. You just seem like a buyer who wants to see what they're really getting into, and both the seller and Fiverr will be fine with that. Most of the time, they will also give you links to some of their social media accounts. They sent you Instagram as an example. Send them a message through their DM, and then you can talk about the Crowdfire tool. Then you can give them your affiliate link. You just want to take people off your Fiverr, so you can provide them with your affiliate links. There are several ways to do this. You can help them with the tool, which will help them, and if they keep using it to grow their business, you can make $420 per person you refer. Here's one more way to get rid of sellers on Fiverr. So for example, you could say, "Hey, so we can talk more easily, could you please contact me?" and leave some of your social media handles. You could also say that you want to work with them on a long-term project and would like to use their services. But if they give you some of their personal social media accounts, you can follow them and become friends, and it all seems natural. Then once you take them off Fiverr, you can tell other people about Crowdfire. You can start by telling them all the good things Crowdfire can do for them. Then you can talk about the plans and how this can help their business. Then all you have to do is give them your affiliate links so they can go to crowdfireapp.com. They can learn more about it and buy some of those plans that give you 35% commission over and over again. And as you saw, more than 100,000 people on Fiverr offer this service. If you can just get 100 people from Fiverr to buy monthly Crowdfire plans, you'll make more than $420 per person every month. Now here's a bonus tip that can help you make twice or 3 times as much money. You can also sell social media management services on other freelancing sites like Truelancer.com, Guru.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. Here you can buy this service from 4 different people, and if you use all of these websites, you can make 3 times as much money. So that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.